Hello, welcome at my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to insert slicer in worksheet. So instead of filtering out your data like this, I'm going to show you how to achieve this by using slicer. So to do that, let's start off. So you are going to highlight your data like that. Then we control T and this dialog box will have to appear here. We move straight to table design. Then if you noticed, we have insert slicer here. So we're going to click on insert slicer like that. Then we select the columns that we need to work with. Then OK. So from here, you can filter out the data that you require. For example, if you want to select ICT, you're going just to click on ICT like that, and when you check on your table, the ICT will be selected automatically like that. You can still work with the other columns and you can still select the data that you want. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to this channel.